Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find the most popular coins on CoinGecko. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the CoinGecko application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to CoinGecko if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom left corner, we have the market, we have the portfolio, the search, the explore, and in the bottom right corner, we have the more options where you can check out all of the options on your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find the most popular coins on CoinGecko. First of all, we have to go to the market, and here we can go and check out all the coins. So we can see the best coin, which is of course Bitcoin. We have them all here. So we have the ATH, USDT, BNB, Sol, etc., etc. So check the trending section on the homepage. This section lists the coins that are currently most searched for by users. Top coins by market cap. Navigate to the cryptocurrencies that select the top coins by market. This to show you the coins with the highest market capitalization. We have the highest trending volume. You can also look at the highest volume section under highlights. Tap to see the coins with the highest trending volumes in the last 24 hours. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.